5371.
Scathing observations by the Supreme Court during the hearing in the RG Kar Hospital rape and murder case. The Apex Court set a deadline for junior doctors in West Bengal who've been on strike since the crime took place a month ago. A three-judge bench headed by Chief Justice of India D.Y. Chandrachud on Monday asked striking doctors to rejoin work latest by 5 p.m. on Tuesday, failing which they would face disciplinary action. The Supreme Court's intervention came after the Council for the Bengal government claimed 23 lives had been lost due to the strike.
We know what is happening on the ground. All that we want to assure the doctors is first return to work. We have said that the district collectors and the superintendents of police will monitor the situation. They shall provide adequate facilities to ensure their safety and security. They must now come back to work.
The Supreme Court granted 1 week's time to the CBI to probe the entire sequence of events in the case and asked the agency to file a fresh status report on the 17th of September. The Supreme Court also questioned the Bengal government over the 14-hour-long delay in filing the FIR in the case. The judges pointed out lapses on the part of the Kolkata police prior to the post-mortem in the case.
During the course of the hearing, the court has been apprised of the, into inverted commas, challan for use when a dead body is sent for examination, into inverted commas, complete. Full stop. The Solicitor General, on the instructions of the investigating officer of the CBI, states that the above challan, duly filled in, is not a part of the file which has been handed over to the CBI for investigation.
Solicitor General Tushar Mehta insisted that the Mamata Banerjee government was not cooperating with the CISF personnel deployed to give security to doctors. The Supreme Court directed the state to hand over the required security gadgets to the central forces on Monday itself.
All the respective district collectors and superintendents of police shall take stock of the situation and ensure that necessary conditions have been created for ensuring the safety and security of all doctors in the government medical colleges and public hospitals.
Meanwhile, Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, speaking at a public event, alleged there is a conspiracy to defame Bengal and claimed that a plot was hatched to set Bengal on fire.
বাংলাটাকে গ্রাস করবার জন্য পুলিশের হাত থেকে সবটাই কেড়ে নিতে চান রাজ্য সরকারকে, কেন্দ্রীয় সরকারের এর মধ্যে পুরো চক্রান্ত আছে। আমি কোর্টকে কোনো ব্যাপারে একটি কমেন্টসও করব না, বিকজ উই আর বাউন্ড টু অ্যাকসেপ্ট দ্য কোর্ট ভার্ডিক্ট। কিন্তু মনে রাখবেন, কেন্দ্রীয় সরকারের সম্পূর্ণ চক্রান্ত আছে এবং আরও কয়েকটা লেফট পার্টিস।
Mamata Banerjee alleged a slander campaign against her, denying that a government offered money to the deceased doctor's family. Abhaya's father, however, reiterated that the family was offered money.
আপনাদের যে ভিডিওটা নিয়ে এখনো বিতর্ক চলছে, সেখানে কিন্তু পুলিশ থেকে এখনো দাবি করা হচ্ছে যেটা তাদের পক্ষ থেকে করা হয়নি। আপনি কি আপনার দাবিতে এখনো নন?
তাদের পক্ষ থেকে করানো হয়নি মানে
পুলিশ করেনি বলছে, পুলিশের
তরফ থেকেই করানো হয়েছে, সেটা আমরা নির্দিষ্ট জায়গায় বলে দিয়েছি, তারা বিচার করে তারা রিপোর্ট দেবে।
The BJP hit out at Mamata Banerjee, demanding her resignation once again.
The polygraph test of the Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, as well as the arrest of Mamata Banerjee, could be imperative to ensure that there is justice given to the family members of the deceased and to every citizen of the country.
The entire city, including protesting doctors, were eagerly waiting for Monday hearing at the top court. But the Apex Court has directed the protesting doctors, those are being considered as the face of this mass movement, to resume work. Now these protesting doctors have to finalize an alternative way to keep their flame on, demanding justice, but keeping the health services normal. With camera person Kirunjit Dash and Sam Sundar Ghosh, this is Ritik for India Today.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.